Have you ever stumbled across one of those websites promising free Robux just by entering your Roblox username? Well, today we're looking into one called Merbeast.site, and trust me, you're going to want to hear what I found. At first glance, Merbeast.site looks tempting, offering 400, 800, even up to 4,500 Robux without asking for any payment. But when you dig a little deeper, things start to get shady very quickly. For starters, the domain was registered only 4 days ago, which immediately raises suspicion for any website claiming to offer valuable rewards. Adding to that, there's no official mention of Merbeast.site anywhere on Roblox's real website. No endorsements, no partnerships, nothing. Instead of delivering Robux, the site redirects you to random pages that have nothing to do with Roblox at all. Another major red flag is the complete lack of transparency. There's no About Us page, no contact information, and not a single verified review on Trustpilot or any other trusted platform. Even Insights.com gives the site a very low safety score, and there's absolutely no social media presence backing it up. After going through everything, it became pretty clear. This site has all the classic signs of being a scam. However, I'm not saying it's 100% confirmed either way, but based on all the evidence gathered, it's definitely not a site I would recommend trusting with your Roblox account or personal information. Always stay cautious, because if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is.